Photo compositing is a broad topic in photo editing, but if you know the basic principle of photo composition, it will become easy and enjoyable. In this simple project, I will show you 3 principles of photo composition: luminosity match, color match, and focus. So without further ado, let's get started. The download links for the photos are in the description. Also, you can use your images as well. At first, I select the model image and copy it to the street image. And then turn it into a smart object. This way you will maintain the quality of the layer with future edits. Now I transform it and move it to a good position. You should try to find the best perspective. Now I select the model layer. Because it has a simple background, the automatic selection will be good. So I choose the subject command. To ensure the removal of any background of the image, I contract the selection a bit. And then, create a mask. And go to Select and Mask to modify it. Here you should try to modify your selection with the tools. Especially the hairs, which you can modify by using Refine Edge Brush tool. Now it's time for luminosity matching. Each pixel has 2 main factors: color and luminosity. To better evaluate luminosity, we need to turn off the color factor. For this one, I create a solid color and choose a neutral color. And turn its blending mode to color. Now I make a curve layer above the model layer and enable the clipping mask. To have a seamless composition, you should match the shadows and highlights of the second image with the base image. Now you should evaluate your project to determine which modification you need. You should compare the shadow areas together and highlight areas together. In this case, I need to lighten the shadows and darken the highlights. Now we don't need the solid color, and I can disable it. Now it's time for color matching, and I will show a quick trick to use the color of the base image on your second image. I duplicate the background layer, bring it above the model layer, and turn on the clipping mask. Apply the Gaussian blur and choose a high value so that the details disappear and colors mix. Set the blending mode to color. And then bring the opacity down. And it's time for focus modification, which significantly impacts your composition. To give a realistic look, we need to determine which regions should be in focus and which not. In this case, the model should be in focus, but the street behind it should not, so we must blur it. The best solution to give a camera blur is tilt shift in the blur gallery. I add a tilt shift at the bottom and 2 ones on the sides. And at the end, I add a color lookup to give a color effect to the entire scene. It helps to fuse the images more naturally. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to leave comments and like the video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to check out my other videos if you are interested in photo editing. And to be updated with future videos, be sure to subscribe and turn the bell on.